We guide you through how to export Android phone contacts to VCF files. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Contacts app on your Android device, then tap the menu icon usually located at the top right corner and select Settings or Manage Contacts depending on your phone model. Next, look for the Import or Export option and tap Export to Storage or Export to .vcf file. After that, choose where you want to save the file, either internal storage or SD card. Then confirm by tapping Export. Your phone will then create a VCF file containing all your saved contacts. Once done, you can find this file in your file manager, usually in the Downloads or Contacts folder. This VCF file can now be used to back up your contacts, transfer them to another device, or share them via email, Bluetooth, or cloud storage.